Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer panko wings. Let's begin. We're going to prepare the seasoning first. We'll need half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and lastly, half teaspoon of ground black pepper. Stir the seasoning together. Looking good. We're going to put this to the side. Next, we'll need half cup of all-purpose flour. We're going to grab half cup of all-purpose flour. We're going to crack open 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. Stir it all up. Looking good. We're going to put that to the side. Next, we'll need some panko breadcrumbs. We're going to pour half the bag out. There you go. That's around a little bit over half the bag. Next, we're going to pour half the seasoning into the all-purpose flour. There you go. And the other half, we're going to pour it into the panko breadcrumbs. We're going to stir the seasoning into the all-purpose flour. Looking good. Then we're going to stir the seasoning into the panko breadcrumbs. Looking good. It's nicely mixed in. We're going to take the chicken wing and dip it in the flour, seasoned flour. That. Then we're going to dip it into the egg. And we're going to dip it into the panko breadcrumbs. There we go. That's one. Take another one. Dip it into the all-purpose seasoned flour. Then dip it into the egg wash. And dip it into the panko breadcrumbs. There you go. Take another one, dip it in the all-purpose flour. And dip it into the egg wash. Remove the excess and dip it into the panko breadcrumbs. There we go. Now let's finish up the rest real quick. There we go, last one. I'm gonna change out my gloves real quick. This is what it looks like before you put it in, and now let's preheat the air fryer. Turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button, and we'll get preheated to 380 degrees, and we'll be back. Okay, it's fully preheated to 380 degrees. Let's put in the chicken wings. There we go. We have here all 10 chicken wings. Now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 380 degrees for a total time of 22 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been 11 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. Looking wonderful. Now flip them over. There you go. There we go, we flipped them all over. And now let's put it back in for the last 11 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 22 minutes at 380 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking wonderful. Let's take them out. Nice and crispy. We have here some Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce, or you can use any dipping sauce you like. There you go. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer Panko wings. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.